Hello. Welcome once again. Today we will learn how to mask a face for moving bodies. For this, we have a clip. And we want to hide the face of this walking lady. Firstly, we will create a copy of the clip by pressing Alt and dragging clip upwards. Now, we have two copies of the same clip, one above other. Now hide the bottom clip by pressing the I button. Select the first clip and select the ellipse mask under Effects Control Panel. You will see the ellipse mask is created in the output screen. Now let's refine masking and cover only the face area. Now, we will do the automatic path tracking for entire clip. For this, make sure you are at the beginning of the clip. And press Mask Forward button. This will create a mask tracking path for the entire clip. This may take some time. Let's play the clip from beginning. You will notice the tracking path is generated. Also, masking is automatically tracking the face movements throughout the clip. Now towards the ending, mask tracking is not proper. For this, you can manually adjust and more refine the mask area. Let's do it now manually. Now in the effects panel, type M-O-S-A-I-C. You will see mosaic effect under video effects. Select and drag mosaic effect into the upper clip. You will notice the change in the face of the lady. Now, in the effects control panel, make horizontal blocks to 50. And vertical blocks also 50. This will create a mosaic effects in the face masking area. Okay, now, let's show the bottom clip also, by pressing the I button. Now play the clip. Great, face masking is done. Let's see in the bigger screen. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for new sessions. Take care.